this video, I'm going to teach you about central angles. And this might look impossible, but it's actually not. So stick around for the video. It's only a few minutes to understand this whole thing. So if we have a problem like this that says the graph below shows the types of pets Sienna's coworkers have, and we need to find what is the measure of the central angle for cats. Okay, so we could see all of these in the circle graph, the percentages of the types of pets people have. So looking at the graph, we can see that 30% of the co-workers owned a cat. We could see that here, okay? So now all we need to do is understand that there are 360 degrees in a circle, okay? 360 degrees in a circle. So we need to find 30% of 360 degrees. Of always means multiply. So when you're trying to find 30% of 360, you just multiply. So don't forget to change the percentage into a decimal, okay? You move the decimal over here twice, 1, 2, and you're left with 0.3. So 0.3 times 360 when you calculate it out is 108 degrees. So the measure of the central angle for the cat section is 108 degrees. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.